Oof. This is good for glass. I think my #1 priority for today is to clean and organize my entire house. This was much needed. Good morning, everyone. I have been drastically avoiding my workout this morning, so we're gonna do it now. We've been procrastinating for a few hours. To be honest, I really don't feel like doing this, but I know I'll be happy once I do. Here we go. Today we're doing the Peloton, and I should have shown you this a while ago. If you guys have a bike or a Peloton or something, I got this off of Amazon, and it's so nice to put your phone there because otherwise it only had to balance and mine would always fall. I'll try to find this and have it linked below for you guys. It is game changing. Game changing. Okay, wish me luck. We're done. I feel great. The next time I'm dreading my workout, I need to just, remember this moment where I'm like, Alicia, you could have done this 4 hours ago. Also, I listened to Doja Cat's new song with Ariana Grande. Holy shit, you guys, so good. So good. If you haven't listened to it, you really should. And let me know what songs you're loving right now. Question of the day. Comment below your favorite workout song, or just comment, whatever song you're loving right now. Ladies and gentlemen, lunch. To be honest, Ashley and Taryn are gone today and I did not feel like cooking, so tender greens it is. Hey, look, King, our lunch is here. Ooh. Guys, does anyone care to see what I ordered from Tender Greens lately? I don't know, but I'm gonna show you. This is one of my newer favorite orders from there. I've been getting the Cobb salad with double chicken, no cheese, no bacon, extra tomato, because I love their tomato. And then their dressing, so good. It's also a shit ton of food, so it definitely like lasts you, it's like a lot of food. But the chicken's so good. And welcome to everyone's favorite part of the vlog where we shake that salad, yo.
Is it good?
So good.
That crunch.
We love a nice little crunch. I think my #1 priority for today is to clean and organize my entire house. I feel like it's a no makeup day because we're probably just gonna get all sweaty and nasty. So I honestly don't even know where to start. There's so much. My room is a complete mess. Honestly, I forget if I mentioned this in the last vlog or not, but we had our full-on like Wi-Fi completely redone, and they had to put security camera like monitors and all that kind of stuff in our linen closet. And the problem is we only have one linen closet, which is already overflowing, and they took up 2 shelves. We had to take everything out of that closet and put it here in the glam room. So there's just been like socks and towels and blankets and stuff in here. Literally, look at this. That's not your bed, mama. So clearly we need to wash a lot of this and put it back, but we've been procrastinating that. Dare I show you my room? This is lovely. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with the bed situation. I think in my head I was kind of waiting to switch that out before moving like the vanity and stuff, but I need to move that to the garage. But there's no room in the garage because we have a lot of stuff in there right now, so I don't know what to do, Chloe. And then when they put in the Wi-Fi, they had to take down this bookshelf to run a wire all along here. So that's why there's so many sweats and stuff out here in my room. So obviously I need to put all of this back, but that's where that came from, in case you're wondering. This is clean. I just gotta freaking put it away. And I still have free drawers here in my dresser that I need to figure out what I want to, so I need to figure out what clothes I exactly want to put in here. Welcome to the part of the vlog where we shout out our favorite sponsor. Well, one of them. We have a lot of favorites. Huge thank you to Casetify for sponsoring this video. You guys know I am obsessed with Casetify cases. They are amazing, and I've actually been wanting to show you this for quite some time. I don't know if any of you guys caught on to this, but about a month ago I uploaded a video of me showing new cases that I got before Ashley and I launched Parallel Apparel, our new clothing brand. And did anyone catch that this says, "In a parallel universe, we are here together"? That was a nice little subtle nod. So shout out to anyone who noticed the hint beforehand. But this quote was already on the website. I love how they have so many options. They literally have thousands of customizable cases. I chose this print with this color. It's a really pretty muted blue / grayish type color. This is the case I've been using lately. I absolutely love it. And as always, if you use my link, you can actually just go to casetify.com/Alicia Marie. You can actually get 15% 15% off your Casetify order. I have so many cases from them, my computer cases from them. You guys know I'm a stan, I love them. They are military grade drop protection, so if you just drop it, you really don't have to worry about your phone shattering. I don't even have a screen protector on my phone, you guys. I have not had a phone shatter or break ever since I started using Casetify cases, so. And to show just how much I believe in this, the ultimate drop test, bigger and badder than ever before. Dun, da, da, da. Absolutely no cracks, no scratches, and yes, Remy Cruz is my background. This is also the current makeup vanity situation. Obvious answers, it needs cleaned. The rest of the room really isn't too bad, so I just need to kind of pick all this up. Thumbs up this video if you also hate laundry. Let's go. I feel like this vlog is giving me mad quarantine vibes. It's the caw clip. Finally gonna have clean underwear check. Okay. I've had empty random bottles in my shower for probably months, so we're finally gonna clean her out. This has been empty for so long. This is expired, empty, and there's water in it. Oh my god, my socks are wet. I'm gonna put these in the guest bathroom. This was much needed. Have I ever shown myself taking the trash out? I don't think so. Oof. Ashley Nicole, this is proof that I do take out the trash. Okay, boom. Ashley always comes for me saying that I don't take out the trash. I just did, Ash. I just did. Okay. Honestly, this isn't that bad. I need to wash my makeup brushes desperately. Do you ever complain about breaking out and then realize it's probably the fact that you haven't washed your brushes in literally forever? Because same, like I'm looking at this brush, I'm like, that's disgusting. Honestly, that's something else that's been on my to-do list that I have been meaning to do for quite some time. So, me always making makeshift tripods. I'm an Aviator stan. I have to say, I'm obsessed with Aviators. They've always been one of my go-to, like, classic sunglasses. Trash. Okay, desperately need some of that. What are you doing, mama? The tail, I can't. I literally can't. Okay, let's clean her. Ooh, you're crooked as fuck. Okay. Me being like, is this good for glass? I think it is. Rosie, the fact that you've managed to even get dog hair up here baffles me. Was I not supposed to use that in the mirror? Because it looks a little streaky. Temperature. What the fuck? Okay guys, the glam room is looking way better than it was. The girls want to play. There is some random stuff over here, but all of the towels and stuff looks so much better. It's insane. Ladies, this is so unbelievably satisfying. Taryn actually got these dividers. I believe they're from Amazon and they're so nice. This helps so much because before all of the towels would just fall everywhere. Ladies, your mom's trying to vlog. It's so cute when they play. Chloe. Except Chloe's bark is literally piercing and then Rose sounds like she's actually mad. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. I know, it's okay. It's okay. Anyways, we got a lot of shit done. Honestly, super proud. The only thing that I did not get to was my bedroom. So I'm gonna try to start that right now. But realistically, I probably won't finish today, but that's okay. This color coordinated would be probably the happiest day of my life, but that's not gonna happen for a little bit. Why does it feel like I didn't even make a dent? I got those ones off, but you know what? Surprisingly, I actually do think we made a dent. Also, I don't think I ever actually showed you the final of this. This was the leftover of TK's wall where everyone wrote on it, and it was such a fun idea. So if you guys have like a mirror or window thing like this, I feel like this is so cute to do for birthdays because it comes off super easy because it's a whiteboard marker. Yeah, super fun. I don't think I've ever vlogged in this angle ever before, but you know, we gotta get rid of. Oh god. I just realized this vlog might go up before my TK's birthday one. So if that's the case, this will make more sense soon. Okay, yeah, cool. Woo! Much better. I think I told you guys this. I only put that up because the gym was literally so messy. So I was like, we cannot let people see the mess. Worked out. Hello everyone, update. It is quite a bit later and the two roomies are back.
What up?
They're high off of Disney, high off of life. And it's almost 10 o'clock. I actually have to get up early tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will talk to you really soon because a bitch is back on her upload game. I'm gonna be way more consistent. If you wouldn't mind commenting below some vlog ideas and video ideas. Today I was kind of brainstorming some things and I definitely need some inspo, I feel like, for the next few months, but would love to hear what you guys would like to see. So yeah, comment it below. I love you guys. Bye.